A very warm hello to everyone. When we started the chapter way back in 2012, the intent was to make Flow Bangalore a platform for women to inspire, share, and grow. We wanted this platform to be one for women to pursue professional growth, entrepreneurial development, and business expansion, as well as share their network together. All this and more has happened with each year, adding to the strength of this organization. It has exceeded my expectations, and how?
I'm Namrata Bhatia, and today at Fiki Flow Bangalore, we have a host of offerings. We are a bouquet of empowerment for any member who joins us. We actually take her through incubation, understanding how to create a business, understanding how to maintain her business, her fund flow, networking, socializing, developing and learning new skills, contributing to the society, assisting the underprivileged.
Hi, I'm Rati Dhandania Mundre, Chairperson Flow Bangalore 2015-16. Fiki Ladies Organization, or Flow as it's popularly known, is a great platform for business networking and connecting with the government and people of influence for policy advocacy. In 5 years from now, I would like to see Flow as an enabler in inspiring and motivating women, be it entrepreneurship or any other profession that they may choose.
Hello and a very warm welcome to you, Revati, as chairperson for Flow Bangalore chapter. Wishing you a very inspirational and rewarding year ahead. I'm positive your leadership will take the chapter to greater heights and the journey will be highly enriching for you as well. It's very evident from the past that every chairperson has had a different set of goals for the year and different set of challenges. And it's only the unstinted dedication to this esteemed leadership role that has helped each one of us to excel and surpass expectations. And it has taken the chapter to where it is today. I'm positive that you will do the same.
Hello. I would first of all like to extend a very warm welcome to Revati Raju, who is the incoming chairperson of Flow Bangalore. I still remember 3 years ago when I took over as a chairperson. I know that feeling in the stomach. So I just want her to have a very inspiring year ahead. To answer a question about my involvement, I am an active member of Flow even now. And as and when the chairperson wants me to be involved, I am delighted to be of some help. So I am here, just a call away, Revati, all yours for this year.
My association with Flow goes back 33 years, and I used to conduct design and entrepreneurship workshops. In 1991, I started Folio, detailing art, design, fashion, textiles and crafts. As a chairperson of Flow Bangalore chapter in the years 2018-19, I greatly enjoyed sharing all my experiences which I had gathered over the years with all of the membership, and many of whom were looking to become entrepreneurs themselves. This gave me great joy and the satisfaction of giving back. In the process, I learnt a lot.
Hi, this is Shruti Mittal, Chairperson Flow Bangalore 2019-20. We have a fantastic chapter and two things that I'm particularly proud of. One, despite being such a large chapter, we're very organized and structured in our working. We have a good collection of all the members' data and our communications are always precise and clear. And the second is we're constantly working to empower women at the grassroots level and have in the past also given them many forms of earning a livelihood.
Hi all, Jyotika here. The theme for my year was Write Your Own Stories from Ordinary to Extraordinary. And I highlighted everything which was Indian. And the celebrities of my year were my members. So guys, this is a commerce platform for all of you. I've been one of the founding members of the Fiki Flow chapter.
Revati Raju and her fabulous team, great success in 2021-22.
Good luck and God bless you.
All the very best to you. I hope you have a great year. I know you will have a great year, a very inspiring year.
My best wishes to the incoming chair Revati and empowerment to all. Thank you.
I wish Revati and her team all the very best and have a fantastic year ahead. Thank you.
And all the best.